As a creative designer, the use of design elements and resources can actually help the look of your design composition when working on any design project. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I remain your host, Agud Joseph. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a website that basically provides you with large resources that you can use to work on any design project, and you can also draw inspiration from this particular website. Okay, so over here I have my web browser, and the name of this website is called paintinterest.com. This website is actually underrated by most people, but as creative, okay, I've actually discovered that this website has a lot of resources that can be helpful to graphic designers. Okay, here we have the home page of Pinterest, and here we have the search panel. Okay, and over here on the home, I can basically type in the keywords of what I'm actually looking for. Here I can come over here and look for backgrounds. Maybe I need a background for a particular kind of design, maybe a church flyer design or a party flyer. So I can come here and type in maybe party flyer. Okay, I omitted the F. Party flyer backgrounds. Okay, you can see from the search results here, it actually gives you wide varieties of backgrounds that you can actually select from. Okay, so this is basically keyword sensitive, so you have to be very sensitive in terms of your keywords. Over here you can see it has a filter extension where you can narrow down your search to a particular kind of background, okay, or a particular scenario you're actually picturing in your mind. Okay, so this is also applicable to church flyer background and other kind of keywords. It all depends on what you're actually looking for. You can also draw inspiration from this website. Maybe I'm working on a church flyer, and come over here and type in the word church flyer over here and hit on the search button and wait for it to load out, and you can see here are various resources. Okay, there are various results from the keyword we just input, and you can see here that you can select any design and pick your inspiration. Okay, when I'm talking about inspiration, you can be looking at the layout. Okay, how a designer basically use layout in creating the design, or you can draw inspiration in terms of the color usage by the designer. Okay, so or in terms of typography, that is the use of fonts, you can also draw inspiration and apply that in your design. Okay, so there is nothing new under the sun. In a situation where you also need some effects as well, because this website provides you with backgrounds, PNG effects, and many more. In a situation whereby you need an effect such as the prismatic lens, for example, I do use this on my design, and some creatives have been asking me how do I go about getting this. I also get this from Pinterest as well. So you can basically look for any of them and use them on your design. Okay, so I can click on this. For example, maybe I actually want to use this on my design. All I have to do is to click on it, head over to these three dots over here and click on download, and it will be downloaded into my PC or whatever device I'm actually using. Okay, so I can use it on my design while working in my Photoshop. Okay, and if I intend to do that in my Photoshop, the screen blending mode will actually work for that purpose. Okay, to help you to blend it into your design. Okay, this is more of like overlays. Okay, so moving on, you can also narrow down your search by clicking on this image search icon here. It will expand the search by giving you similar option, or furthering the search by giving you other options that have a similar feel or look like what you're actually having over here, and you can download them and use them on any design project. I can click on this, for example, and this will come up, and you can see this is how it's actually looking, and you can go ahead to click on it to actually download it into your PC. Okay, that is in terms of that. Okay, So you can also search for 3D objects, such as maybe I might say a 3D bell, for example. Okay, we use this for kind of designs as well. So you can actually search for 3D images or object of something. Likewise, vector images. You can see these are various categories under the filters. You can narrow down by working with the filters as well. Maybe you're actually working and you need maybe a vector image of a car, for example, and hit the search panel, and it will give you the vector image of whatever keyword you're actually looking for. Okay, this actually can help you skyrocket your use of resources while working on any design project as well. Okay, so another benefit of Pinterest has to do with discoverability. Okay, that is the ability to be discovered on the web, and take note that Google is the world most search engine in the world. Okay, as creative, you can actually sign up an account on Pinterest and upload content of yours on Pinterest. Okay, so I might choose to look at this particular creator, and you can see that over here I can click on the portfolio to see the design collection of that particular creator. You can see these are various designs by that particular creator. Okay, and over here on Pinterest as well, you can also achieve a level of monetization. Okay, when you have been discovered by Google, and whenever someone actually search with keywords that are actually related to what you actually do, and a person visits your site, or accidentally I bump into maybe this resource, for example, and I need it, you can see that this content is uh is available for sale for about 12 USD. You can also monetize your content using this platform. You can post images or a resource pack or mockup, for example, on your Pinterest account, and you can connect it to a website. Okay, so when you click on visit website, for example, like this, it will pick the user from, it will move the person from the Pinterest dashboard all the way to an actual website where they can read more about the product. Okay, and make payments if needed, and they can actually buy your products from this method as well, and you can also make money from it. Okay, so that is in one of the benefits we creative can actually get from using Pinterest. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you do find this video helpful, do well to smash the like button right away. If you are new to the channel and you are yet to subscribe, do well to smash the subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell to get notification whenever we upload new content. For returning subscriber, thank you for always watching. If you have questions and comments, do well to leave your questions and comments in the comment sections, and do well to share this video with other creatives around you, and see you in the next.